Hello parents, welcome to Super Kids Parenting. We were discussing about different types of multiple intelligence which was put forward by Howard Gardner in 1983. Today we are talking about on verbal intelligence. What are the different activities we can do to enhance the verbal intelligence in the child? As we have already mentioned, the ultimate aim of parenting is to launch their child happy and successful, and any of the intelligence can help in doing so. One of the intelligence is verbal intelligence. This is something to do with the language, the vocabulary, the usage of language. So to improve this intelligence with the child is, the best one is about reading books to the child and story telling. While narrating the story also, it can be role plays, drama which is being done at home. So some of the activities suggested is reading book to the child. So it can be touch and feel book or different varieties of books, slide and learn or write and wipe. So reading books which is colorful. So while reading, the child's vocabulary gets built. And art and craft related activities using which you have done for the visual intelligence can be used as a puppet to narrate the story to the child. It can be, you can make a finger puppets for the story narration. The story narration can also be done with the pictures. And the other one is showing different objects to the child and naming it. So it can be, you can make a box full of different objects with different alphabets, as we see here: aeroplane, ambulance for A, and alligator. So when you show these things, as we see for basket, B for banana, so the bus. So you can make the boxes for each of the alphabet and can show these objects to the child and name it. So this is one of the very interesting activity for the child. At the same time, the role play also plays a very important role. It's about oral language, it can be writing or it can be narration part of it. So while doing the story narration with role plays, the child's interest is more. So the child starts picking up the words more. So singing rhymes also to the child is also another way in which language can be enhanced with the child. So parents, hope you would do one of the activity every day. So consistency plays a very important role in enhancing any intelligence. So for the visual intelligence, you can take as art and craft as the activity. For verbal intelligence, you can take reading book or story narration or role play can be the activity. So hope you have liked and got few activities to do to improve the visual intelligence with the child. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe for our YouTube channel, and see for all our videos related with the multiple intelligence. Thank you parents, and happy parenting.